Echo, turn off the back porch light. It works. Echo, turn on the back porch light. Echo, set the back porch light to 50%. And that worked. I don't know if you could see it on here. Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show, and today we're going to be testing out a light bulb. It's a smart light bulb, LED, works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and it's a 60 watt equivalent light bulb from TP-Link LED. Comes with a 2-year warranty, clearly stated on the box there, and the bulb out of the box looks like this. TP-Link. Smart bulb. We're going to go ahead and hook this up today. Works with the Casa, TP-Link Casa app. So we're going to install that. I've already got that installed and I've created an account already, and then we're going to go look at it and get this bulb working and see how it does. Guys, here's our smartphone, and I've already downloaded the Casa app. So we're going to open that up. And I've already logged in, created an account here. So we're going to go ahead to this screen here. It says no devices yet. We'll want to hit the plus sign. And we've got this smart bulb here. It's a LB100 series. We actually got the LB110 bulb. That's the 60 watt LED dimmable bulb. Okay, make sure the power's off. We're going to do that. Screw in our bulb, and then we'll do next. Wait for the bulb to blink 3 times after 5 seconds. Make sure the power is off first. That's how they instruct. And then when you turn on that light switch for that bulb, it says wait about 5 seconds, and then it should blink 3 times. We'll wait for the blink. 1, 2, 3. Now we're set for programming. And we got that, so we'll go next. This might take a minute, it says. We'll see how easy this is to establish. And we've already got it, it looks like. Now we can just name it. I'm going to be putting this bulb out on my back porch. I'm going to say, okay, I don't want to do that yet. I want to finish naming. Let's see. Okay, it wants to connect first. There it is. It's connecting to it. Internet may not be available. Yeah, I know, because we're connected to the bulb. So I want to go back here. Where's the Casa app? Here we go. Casa app right there. All right, let's finish giving our device a name. This bulb is going to be named back porch light. And then we'll hit next. All right, there's the icon for it. Yeah, I'll just keep that bulb look. And we'll go next. You could actually, I guess, take a picture yourself if you want a different picture of it. For now, we'll go next. Make sure you enter the right password. And I'm going to pause this. I'll be right back. And we're back. I've got the password in. It says it's almost done. So far, so good. Let's see if this takes. Firmware update now. Okay, I guess we'll do the firmware update. We want it to be as smart as it can be, right? Now I got this bulb because I really want to use it with Alexa. I'm going to put it on the back porch, and I've got a Alexa out there, so I can just tell Alexa to turn it on and off in the evening time if I'm out there. You can also set up a schedule for it to come on and off automatically. Okay, update's complete. We'll do done. Great, your smart bulb is all set up. To control it remotely, enable remote control and device settings. And I'm going to do done there. There it is. So let me see. I'm going to get my camera powered on here. We're going to take a look at it, see if I can control this. Let's see. We're going to test the bulb out here now. Off, on, working very nice. All right, if I click into this bulb here, here's the slide dimmer. Let's see if this works. Full brightness, dim. It's working very good. Bulb is responsive, very quick response time. And then right here is the schedule I told you about. You can set a schedule there. We're not going to do that in this video, but you can do it. And then usage. You can, if you're into looking at usage and stuff like that, if you're really monitoring your electric bill, you can log into these bulbs and see, you know, maybe where all your money's going to when you're not home or something. Maybe you want to adjust the schedule or something. But being these are LED, they're advertised as only using $1.38 per year per bulb. All right, so the main thing I want to do now is go to get this powered up and working with Alexa. It also works with the Google Home Assistant, but today we're going to go over hooking it up to Alexa and getting it to work with Alexa. Just a moment. Hey guys, we're back. We're in our TP-Link Casa app. There's our one smart bulb we installed, and I'm going to get out of here. Close my settings. I'm going to go to my screen top here and go into Amazon. See if we can get this working with Amazon as easy as it was to set the bulb up. You want to go to skills, and we want the TP-Link Casa skill. TP-Link Casa. Search for that. There it is, first one to come up. We're going to go ahead and enable this skill. Okay, and then we have to enter our TP-Link email and password here. I'm going to pause it just a moment. Oh. Okay, we're back. I gave it the permission with my email and password. So we're going to go back into, okay, close that. Amazon Alexa will open that up. And then automatically it brings up this box to discover devices because it knows you probably want to discover something with that skill installed. So we're going to run through here, see if it finds our bulb. We named it back porch light. Okay, looks like it found, yep, back porch light right here. Found our bulb right there. Let's test it on here. Okay, let's give it a test. Off, on, and you can dim it from here within Alexa. Dimming is working. All right, keep it at 100%. Try it to go off, and it's working good. All right, now we're going to, let's see if I can speak to my Amazon. Echo, turn off back porch light.
Okay.
Very good. Cool. That's the coolest thing. Echo, turn on back porch light.
Okay.
We've got it working, guys. All right. All right, guys. This is the back porch light. That's where I want to locate this smart bulb by TP-Link. Let's go ahead and put it in here. It's just a standard socket. I think they call it an A19 socket. All right, it's powered up. It's turned on now. Now, let's give it a test. I've got an Amazon Echo right out here on that windowsill. Right there. Echo, turn off the back porch light. It works. Echo, turn on the back porch light. Echo, set the back porch light to 50%. and that worked. I don't know if you could see it on here. Echo, set the back porch light to 20%. Echo, set the back porch light to 100%. So, I like that. A big thumbs up. TP-Link Smart Home light bulb works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant, and these are the least expensive smart home bulbs that I found online that work with the Google and Alexa. I got a pair of them for I think they were like $21 a piece, but they come with that 2-year guarantee, warranty replacement. So I think I'm going to be very happy with these. Like I said, I got 2 of them, so I'm going to put another one in there. And I'm going to group them together, so I just tell to turn on the back porch light and they both come on. Guys, thank you again for tuning into my channel. Please subscribe, give me a like, a thumbs up on the videos that you like, and I'll see you guys on the next video.